Welcome to the Sofa Rehab YouTube channel. This video is about the leather binder from Sofa Rehab. Okay, demonstrating how the binder works. We have a cushion here that we're part way through repairing. It's got some heavy isolated cracking. We've sanded and prepped the area, and now we're going to go ahead and apply the leather binder. Once the binder is mixed in the bottle, we're going to apply the binder to the sponge and we're going to apply it to the repair area. By applying the binder to the sponge, we have control over the volume of binder used. The idea here is not to pour the binder onto the repair area. You want to have control over the volume that you're using, so you're not using excess binder on top of the repair. Applying the binder in a stippling action. This is the best way to apply the binder. We're forcing the binder into the cracks. Paying particular attention to the areas that require the binder, we're pushing the sponge into the cracked area, allowing the product to sink deep into the cracking. Once we're satisfied that the binder is in all the areas required, we're going to wipe over the repair area to even out the solution. And then we can move on to drying the area. So we use a hairdryer to force dry the application of binder. You can allow this to dry naturally, however a hairdryer is preferred because it speeds up the process. Once dry, the area should remain tacky and glossy. And then on to the second application of binder. So we're going to apply it in the same manner as the first application. We're going to stipple the binder to the top of the repair area, this time paying attention to areas that we may have missed in the first application. You should be applying a minimum of 2 coats of binder to the repair area. So let's talk about leather binder. Leather binder is a very flexible, very thin liquid filler. It's used to bind the weakened structures of leather fibres back together prior to repair products being applied. So if your leather is cracked, peeling, flaking, or has weakened structures where there's loose fibres evident, then leather binder is ideal for this prior to any application of further repair products. It's also suitable for any leather and vinyl except nubuck and suede. Leather binder can be used before the leather crack filler or leather colorant. We recommend it's used before leather crack filler to apply a stable surface before the filler goes on. It's also included in the leather crack repair kit. It's available in several sizes and is available from sofarehab.com. So now we dried the second application, we've noticed that we've missed a few areas on the front of the cushion, so we're applying a third light coat to this area. We need to make sure this area is fully dry before moving on to any further repairs. Applying heat as before, making sure the area is nice and dry. This should remain tacky at this stage and have a glossy finish. So that's how you use the leather binder. If you have heavily worn, cracked or peeling leather, it's essential that you use the leather binder during the repair process for a strong structural repair. And that concludes the leather binder video from Sofa Rehab. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't done so far, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. It really helps our following. If you have any comments or feedback about the product, please leave them below. Otherwise, you can contact us on these details here.